Hey, my name is Ryan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I wanted to just give a quick introduction to who I am and my background, and primarily what I want this channel to be about. I spent about 9 years in the service industry before learning how to code, and I went to a web development boot camp. And after completing that, I landed my first job in about 13 months. I actually have a video that goes into a little bit more detail about this, and I'll link that here. I am AWS certified, and I'm currently working on my second AWS certification. I've actually got the training book right here for the AWS Certified Solutions Architect, and I'll actually leave a link to this down in the description below. I currently work for a Fortune 500 company as a cloud architect, and I primarily work with the AWS CDK, the Cloud Development Kit. So I really want this channel to be about the AWS CDK, and I absolutely love the design because it allows me to combine two things that I love, which is AWS and coding. And I really want to make videos teaching this because I noticed that on my journey as I was learning how to build things with the AWS CDK, there was a lot of video knowledge that was lacking, especially on like YouTube, for things that went into more in-depth and more complex topics. I know that it's definitely something that I wish that I had on my learning journey because I went through a lot of trial and error. So hopefully I can pass some of my knowledge onto you to help you along on your journey. So if you've got specific things that you want to learn how to build in the AWS SDK, please let me know. I want to learn as much about the AWS CDK as I possibly can. And if you ask me about something that I don't know about, then I will do my best to learn it and then try to make a video on explaining how to build it so that I can share it here with you. Thanks for watching and being a part of this journey with me.